Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. So last time we were installing the coilovers, right? And I haven't got the car to get an alignment yet because there's one more thing I need to do before I get alignment. I need to get all four corners at the exact height that I wanted. And because of the rear of the car, it doesn't have like a camber adjustments, and so it will make the alignment harder to get perfectly on the rear of the car. So what you need is a lower control arm for your WRX. So we're gonna install this, and then hopefully we can get this installed, and then we can get our cars into the shop for an alignment. So these are the Blox lower control arms. Originally I wanted the red one, but they ran out of red colors, and it's gonna take like a few months away in order to get it. So I got this off of Facebook, and it's brand new. So I got it for less than retail, so that's good, right? It's always good to save money on these cars because it's so expensive to do these moddings. So hopefully you guys can support me and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and let's begin. As you can see, without getting alignment, there's already some uneven wears on the tires. You can see it here on this side and here on this side. So it's really crucial to get your car aligned and get it perfectly aligned. So here's the OEM lower control arms. So you're gonna take off these bolts right here, and one right there at the end, right there. So let's take off these one first, and then we can talk. Okay, so here we have the OEM lower control arm, and here's our Blox lower control arms. So what I want to do right now is going to measure the OEM part and see how far away from the hole is to this one. So I'm going to measure from here to here and see what the distance is, and then we can adjust our length of our Blox lower control arms to the correct length. So measuring from the center of that mounting point to the end of the mounting point, it's about 17 inch and 3/4. So I'm going to measure 17 3/4 on this one, from the lower hole on this one to this one. Okay, so that's around 17 3/8. I mean 17 3/4. And double checking our measurement from our OEM lower control arms. Yep, 17 3/4. 17 3/4. So what I'm going to do is going to tighten up these bolts to lock this into place. So I actually don't have a larger wrench. I'm going to use like the plumber's wrench. Okay, so this took a while. This is now perfectly the same length, hopefully. Let's double check. 17 3/4. 17 3/4. Perfect. Might be a little bit off, but the alignment shop will help us get this sorted. So now we need to do is do the same thing to the other one. 17 3/4. Perfect. So let's calculate this. So I finally got this all tightened up and got a little bit of a flicking of the powder coating from this thing, but overall this is a pain to put this together. It is so hard to tighten these bolts. So right now they should be the same length now as the OEM. So I think we can put this onto our car now. So let's go. So I got all these tightened up, and then we can be on our way. So let's double check our holes. So these are about the same holes and distances, so that we're good. So the torque spec for these two are 88.5. So the torque spec for this one is 33 pounds. We finished all the bolts, and looks like everything is pretty good. Hey guys, so I finished with installing the Blox Lower Control Arms. So now everything's good to go, and we're about to get our cars into the shop for an alignment, and after that everything's good and we can have our install finally finished. So once again, if you're installing the coilovers or lowering your cars, lowering your WRX like over an inch in the back, you might want to think about getting some lower control arms so that they can dial in that camber in the back of the car, and so you can have even tire wear and not having like uneven tire wear on the back of the car. So hopefully this is helpful for you, and remember to subscribe to my channel. And oh, forgot one thing. So I'm back. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember I have these new stickers coming out. These are the onigiri, the cute kawaii onigiri stickers that I made. And so if you like one of these, give me a message or a comment below in this video. But I think I'm gonna put a link up underneath in the description below. So make sure to check out these and get some of these stickers so that you can support me. And remember to subscribe to my channel. And I think that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.